Hi, and welcome to 345 North Elm Avenue. This beautiful custom 3-story home provides modern style, exquisite details, and high-end finishes throughout. The open floor plan is ideal for the active lifestyle. With 9-foot ceilings and over 4,800 square feet of living space, cook your favorite meal in this gourmet kitchen, featuring center island with quartz surface, integrated professional appliances, walk-in pantry, and double fireplace leading to the family room. The wide-open staircase is rich with Brazilian walnut floors, leading you to 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a large laundry room. Quiet time slip away to the master suite retreat, featuring a custom walk-in closet, spa-like bath, and a private large balcony. Located just minutes to Berens Park, schools, the Metra train, and downtown Elmhurst. This home will exceed your expectations. Come take a look for yourself.